and welcome. Today we will be making Triple Delight Tart. So this will have 5 components: the tart shell, the coffee sponge cake, the chocolate mousse, the caramel, and the whipped coffee. So without further ado, let's start cooking. For your tart shells, you will need 1/3 cup butter, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 1 cup flour. First, add your softened butter. Next is your sugar. Mix them until they are creamy. Then, sift in your flour. Mix until it's all semi-crumbed up. Then, add your egg yolk. When all is combined, wrap it in a plastic wrap. And put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. When your dough is ready, lightly dust it with flour. And also your rolling pin. Roll out your dough, not thick and not thin, just right. Cut a piece of the dough that will fit your mold. Brush your molds thoroughly with butter, so you will easily get your tart shells. Poke your dough with a fork to prevent air bubbles when baking. Bake for 20 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius oven. For the coffee sponge cake, you will need 1 1/4 cup flour, 1/3 cup milk, 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon espresso, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup sugar. Add all your dry ingredients in your mixing bowl. First, sift in your flour. Then, sift in your baking powder. Next is your salt. Last is your sugar. Mix them and make a well in the middle. When all the dry ingredients are mixed together, you can now add your wet ingredients, starting with your milk, followed by your melted butter. Give it a mix. And don't forget to scrape the sides. Add in your eggs. When all is incorporated together, add your espresso. Pour it in a lined baking pan. Because it's only a thin layer of cake, bake this for only 10 to 15 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius oven. For the chocolate mousse, you will need 1 cup all-purpose cream, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup cocoa powder. First, pour in your all-purpose cream in a mixing bowl. Whip it until bubbles appear. Add sugar. Mix until all is incorporated together. Sift in your cocoa powder. If the mixture is making soft ribbons, it is ready. Pour it in a piping bag and refrigerate. For the whipped coffee, you will need 2 tablespoons of coffee granules, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water, First, put in your coffee granules in a mixing bowl. Melt it with your hot water. Start mixing them. Gradually add your sugar while mixing. When it is turning light brown and fluffy, you can now transfer it in a piping bag. First, you have to get your tart shells out of the molds. Put the sponge cake first. Place it at the bottom. Next, pour some chocolate mousse at the side, leaving the middle empty. At the middle, you will pour in the caramel. Cover the caramel with a little bit of choco mousse. At the edge of your tart, you will pipe some whipped coffee. And you're done! You can now enjoy your Triple Delight Tart. Thank you for watching!